3BS Biology.
Hi, I'm Mylene Abbas from 2AB Psych B.
Depression is parang hindi mo na alam kung gagawin mo. Sunod-sunod ang problema na marating sa'yo. Hindi mo alam kung anong unahin mo. And hindi mo kayang masolusyonan din.
For me, although I didn't experience or I'm not depressed yet, na nakaabot ko na rin sa third year. So, depression for me is a mental and physical illness. Kana maka-experience ka sa too much overthinking, distorted mental health, tapos feeling na ko ang depression is everything for you is meaningless na and you're too lazy to move your body and to get up in everything in your daily life.
For me, what is depression? Depression is a serious type of a mental illness. Kumbaga, katulad ng salagnat o ng iba pang sakit, ang depression ay kailangan din ng gamot na like immediate na gamot. Kasi kung hindi natin ito maaagapan, magkakaroon tayo ng mas malala pang mental health disorders.
I used the word depression is when yung problema mo is hindi mo na makakayang i-handle. Ang gusto mo masabihan pero walang may matap sa or matingin bawat sa ginaproblema mo. Lubog ka na talaga yung hindi mo na kayang alam ang gawin mo.
So, I'm not really familiar with depression, but I know someone who experienced depression. She's my friend, and she was diagnosed in depression in her senior high school, and then as I experienced together with her, di siya makausap ng matino. She is parang feel mo she is too tired and feeling mo karga niya yung buong mundo and everything in the world for her is too heavy to carry. So that is depression for me. Although ako mga classmates is ginayos nila ang depression nga word parang ang meaning gud niya kay simple lang, pero if you think about it, depression is too deep to understand, and that's it.
Yun nga sabi ko kanina, depression is a serious type of mental illness na kapag hindi naagapan, magre-result into a more severe type of mental illness. So, ano nga ba talaga ang depression? So, depression ay hindi lang siya basta-bastang trend na ginagamit natin porque malungkot ka or kung may nararamdaman kang parang kakaiba, depressed ka na. It's not. Ang depression is nangangailangan ng tulong from a professional. Although ang lungkot ay isang sign ng depression, meron pa itong kaakibat na ibang simptomas bago mo ito matawag na depression.
Good day everyone, I am Renzuali Amalia, a registered psychometrician as well as I am teaching in University of Southern Mindanao as college instructor in Department of Psychology.
What is depression?
So, depression is under yan siya sa mood disorders, in which specifically in MDD or major depressive disorder, in which dito yung tao is may makaka-experience siya ng depressed mood or sad mood na na-experience niya within specific like events such as may na-loss of loved ones as well as may mga uncertainties na nangyari or may mga experiences na nakapagpaano ng kanyang mood, nakapagpasad. Yun.
Now, what can you say about the common misuses of the word depression?
Ganito kasi yan. The common misuse of the word depression kasi is parang na-romanticize nila yung concept of depression. Na supposed to be, yung depression is something may sad mood as well as yung may clinical presentation ng depression. Pero nagiging romanticize kasi yan siya ng ibang tao na parang nagiging common as well as normal na lang na use yung depression as parang ano lang, parang sounds aesthetic na I'm depressed today, ganun. Parang nagiging ano na lang siya ba, nagiging tawag ito, nagiging common term na lang siya, which is in fact na hindi naman talaga supposed to be. Yun yung common niya.
The right way to use it.
To be honest kasi, ang depression kasi is supposed to be a clinical presentation. So as much as possible, hindi dapat siya ginagamit as a word na parang nag-define lang ng mood mo today. So it is as stigmatizing as well because it creates thinking of other people na kapag depressed ka, something you are suicidal or something na may major life events na nangyari sa iyong buhay in which hindi naman pala nangyari yun sa iyo. So yun yung nangyayari kasi when it comes to that. So in that manner, for me na lang is let's stop use the word depression to say something na supposed to be hindi naman talaga natin na-feel because nag-create tayo ng stigma with all of the people na hindi naman nakaka-experience talaga ng legit talaga na depression.
Any advice you can give for those who are experiencing depression?
Okay, when it comes to depression kasi, kung hindi talaga kaya may mga life events na hindi talaga kayang maano ng emotions natin, as much as possible, seek help. Hindi naman kawalan ang pagkakaroon ng tulong or paghingi ng tulong sa iba, especially in the licensed professionals in that field because in that manner, mas natutulungan natin na at least ma-alleviate yung kung ano yung kanilang mga nararamdaman. As well as, we can reduce the stigma of the depression and as well as stereotypes and as well as baka makaprevent pa tayo ng mga uncertainties such as suicide.